Oh. Here he come, that boy. Jeez.
Why, hello.
Salutations.
This is a new Janky drivers update. We haven't.
Unfortunate.
Oh, you don't have to be that negative. We haven't done an update in like a year and a half, like a full year.
I thought we weren't being negative.
No. Well, this is a good thing. It means we're back.
These guys.
Oh.
They're negative.
Oh.
A few things. First of all, we're well, okay. First, this is second of all. Second of all, we're gonna rewire my freaking ignition for like the third time, and in that car we are wiring. A little surprise.
This is a cutout we got right there. Like, you can't really see it that well. So we got this wire that we gotta hook up into the engine bay. We're gonna connect it. We're gonna splice into the light bar harness. And now we gotta figure out how we're gonna get the wire from the below there without getting into.
Yeah. Which side is your cutout on?
The wire comes on that side.
Okay, so you go behind the fuse box, and then we could go. So we'd want to stay clear of these.
Yeah, you don't want to get in these pulleys or anything.
The AC.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking of having this go towards the rear and then just go over the shield where these guys are going. The wires making that sound as if you can hear.
I can hear.
As if you can see.
I can see.
Or can you see these colors?
Yep. Wow.
I'm guessing, let's see. It's gonna come out on the other side, and then we can probably find a way to maneuver it back here and then have it up to the front somewhere where the wire goes.
That was a Harley too.
You're a Harley. One edgy boy coming right up. Then we're gonna have this end face this way so it doesn't catch on anything. Nice. Got it. Little shroud. It's for my subwoofer, officer. Okay, let's see. Behind the little shroud. Is there one more back here?
I don't think we need to do all of them.
How much?
Oh my god, there's so much gunk in there.
It's a mud flap. It's a mud storage flap. Is there another thing to... I don't know if I want all that stuff in there with your the wires.
That's okay. That's okay.
It's still a very tiny screen, and now it's off.
Coming off. There it goes.
Is it loose enough to just... Yeah, okay, cool. It's freaking heavy.
That's disgusting.
Just carrying all that mud. Okay, I got it through there. So now I can put it back on.
Oh my god. Let's zip tie that on at least.
This?
Yeah. Here, I'll get the zip tie. We gotta hook that
I think
there.
there should not be this entire back end.
To here, to there. All right, pull it up a little tighter. That right there, right there, right there. That's perfect.
Alright, we got that wire there.
There, which goes to there.
Here, we might relay it, we might not, probably not, I hope not, I certainly hope not, that's more work. So we're just gonna splice in.
That's fine.
Yeah, right here's fine. Let's do it all the way to the edge.
Janky, janky do.
We janked our way in, now we gotta jank our way out.
Oh my god, did you drop the bolt?
It's right here. It's not right there anymore.
Oh, you're, are you kidding me? Seika!
Grab grab the magnet boy. Okay, I need the actual flashlight. Okay, it's... Oh my god. Woo.
Awesome. I'm happy. I'm happy. All right, now time to do serious work. What we gotta do on yours?
Huh?
What do we gotta do on your car?
Rewire the ignition using some fancy boys.
Oh.
There's just that little bit of tape right there. I'm just trying to... Does it go the other way? It goes the other way, God. Okay. Time to release these two little jacks and plugs and some relays. One of these red wires is 101 and the other 102 and the other is 202. Not that it matters, they're the same anyways, I believe. And then here we have 1 and 2. I labeled that so I know my little diagram there is what the heck I'm about to do.
This guy's a freaking genius.
If you ever play Minecraft, try Redstone. That's how you learn how to freaking wire stuff and program. That's how I learned how to do all of this. You think I'm joking?
No, yes.
I'm not joking. These two here are the key switch. So these two are the little key that's in there.
You know, if we became a car designer and manufacturer, you and me, you know what I'd do?
What?
Every wire, I would have, you know how there's little writing on the side of the wire if it's what gauge it is?
Yeah.
I'd also write, like, it would be so tedious.
Like what it is?
What it is specifically.
So you know how these are all colored differently? That's what that is.
Yeah, but people like me are colorblind. I'm dead.
You are Sheen dead. This is our crank output. We power that to crank the engine. So that is brown 1. Brown 2 is our ignition. So this guy over here is what we need to power to run the engine. So these two both need power to start the engine. And then we have... I'm just gonna...
No.
If you want to learn about relays, what it does is basically you have one input, where is it? 86 is going to be on this side, but each number means a certain thing. So 86, as you can see right there, that's the input for your switch. So you have your switch come from maybe a fuse tab or the battery or some fuse connection, and then you have that go through here, and then the ground for that is right here. You can do whatever you like with it as long as you keep in mind it's the ground and it ends up in the ground. Mm-hmm. Not in the ground, but as a ground. So when you turn on your switch, that lets the current go in through here and out through 85. 30 is your primary input, 87 is your primary output. So basically when you turn on the switch, it connects these two, and these two are the big boys. They connect all the big current. So that's how you want to power like big power draining things, your lights, light bar. You put this in your engine bay, and then you have the light little fuse 12 volt little lightweight wire go into the passenger compartment, so you don't need a ton of voltage going through there. So it's safe basically. On the other hand, if you have a relay like this that has 5 pins instead, when this is off, this is on.
Oh, interesting.
I believe. Pretty great. So this is basically, if you know what a NOT gate is with logic gates, that's what that does. And that means technically if you had a frick ton of these, you could make a binary based computer out of your car.
Really?
Yep.